Hey, our awesome friends, Camp Slow Dust here. Yogi Van Dude. No, it's Yogi Van Life. It's Yogi Zen Dude from Yogi Van Life with Camp Slow Dust. We're here at the RTR in Quartzsite, Arizona, and this is Wayne's rig here. His Ford, like 12-foot box U-Haul box truck, and we have a project going on here. Yeah. Mike here suggested taking out the rear window in the cab and putting it up in here. Totally awesome idea. So they got the window out and they're carefully measuring and marking here. They used some aluminum foil was on hand to make a template out of there, and they'll cut this out and hold that up there. They're getting the bottom. They're getting the bottom line and a center point and the like right now. Then they can hold the template up or the window and mark that out. And
well, I mean, we're down about maybe an eighth of an inch. That's okay. Now. Well, we have to have that up here too, though. Remember? That's the bottom. That's fine on the bottom. We got to add a half an inch to the top too. Sure. Yeah.
This will give us a starting point. Yeah, this will give us measure off of.
so it's my understanding so far that once a hole's cut, then the rubber molding will go back on, and then they're gonna fill the outside of that up with silicone, and then they'll slip it in there, and silicone will dry, and that will hold the window in there.
No, I just got straight
So,
off of so we've already added the half to the bottom. Now we got to add a half to the top.
heard them talking about how that's how many other people have done it, and it's it's been fine for years.
So you had the radius.
So yeah, what an awesome idea. So Wayne's bed will be right on the other side of that too, and that's a vent right there. And Wayne put the door in the side of his van too, and then back here you can see portholes. He's got one on either side up here, and we got the flag, and there's LED lights up there that change colors and stuff. Wayne's wife Cheryl made the flag for Camp Slow Dust. So it's careful, careful right now. So we get the hole cut just right. If anything, cut it small first, and then trim it to fit. Be using wind solar.
There you go.
I'd probably use using wind solar to run the saw to cut it. Either that or I'm not sure if he's or one of his Ryobi tools. Hey, how you doing, kitty? Hey, kitty. You've been out walking today, huh? You've been out walking, huh? You've been out walking? Hey, you. Hey, you. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
I've got about 4 of them in that there, if you want.
He's got some. He's trying to. He's been picking up.
Little look around the Camp Slow Dust camp. Here's our fire pit here with our benches, and where the meals are cooked each night, and this space is filled up with all kinds of new friends from the RTR coming by, and we've encouraged them to sit down with us. It's my rig over there. This is Jeff and Cheryl's rig, the pop-up camper and truck, and Jeff's garage, the trailer, and his Zero bike. Yesterday he took Wayne for a ride in it. Wayne's, got the boot on his foot and hasn't been able to look all around, so Jeff drove him all around the RTR area so he could see. There's hundreds of vehicles here for the RTR Rubber Tramp Rendezvous here in Quartzsite. There. That's Jeff. He and his wife Cheryl are part of the Camp Slow Dust group. All right. More later. Lots of love.